So hey guys, this video I'm going to unbox the Xiaomi robot, robot. You can see here I just got this the robot vacuum cleaner, robot vacuum. This is a gross weight and net weight. It's manufactured by Xiaomi and manufactured by Beijing Robot Rack Technology, a ecosystem company. Okay, it's located at Beijing, in China, and in Malaysia, I guess show you. Malaysia is distributed by what? Era International Networks and Enterprise, located at Puchong Bandar Kinara, and with MCMC approved, with the stream. So I'm going to pack this. Okay. So this was the box. Okay. I put on the floor. I try to unpack it. So many to seal. Actually, it's a brand new, but they put a lot of tape on it. Okay, right. I think they unpack it before for QC. So that's it. That's it. I changed the lens first. Yeah. Go inside there. Another one. Oh god, it's very hard to take it off. Okay, so now I got it. Actually, it's inside has another box, so I try to walk around the boxes. This is the and inside, hopefully you can see it. So it's still the same sticker. What inside the box? Sorry. Okay. But then it's nothing, so I try to pack this. Okay, they already seal it using a high quality tape. So I open it. Hopefully you can see it. Right. Try to change that. So inside the box come with this, the Art of Life. Okay, they have a what inside here. Okay, it's some sort of the user manual. Later I will walk around this user manual and nothing else inside. Okay, this is a user manual, robot cube. Later I walk around this user manual and yeah. So I got this as well. Press this to be first. And of course, this was a robot. So later I will walk around this robot. Right. So nothing else in the box. What's this? Can you see me? Okay. Unbox this. What else inside? Can you see? It's just a box with all the charging cable. Okay, wait, all the charging cable. Okay, and of course the charging station. Okay, so that's part of the unbox. So now I'm going to show all the charging cable. This was something else. Okay. Okay, so I demo it. Besides that, I will run through the user manual first. So this part is a review about the user manual from the Mi Robot Art of Life. Okay, so beside that, they also give some guide, important guide. Don't put nearby the staircase. Okay, yeah, you must block it. And this is okay, but not this have a lot of wire. Later mess up all the wire. And installing is just connect the power cord and put the access cord back of the box. This is the charging dock, and this is the indicator for the power display, and it may not turn on with insufficient power. Place the unit directly on the charging dock, and you also can connect the Mi Home apps, but this step can be skipped. I got time, I will try to do another video for it. Okay, with the apps you have to connect to the internet. Okay. So this is a simple instruction manual. Safety information is a very very common warranty information. This is a product overview, been released, indicator, clean power, spot dock, everything. Come with a charging dock, main brush cleaner, and power cord. And also this is a dustbin main unit. This is a product overview. Later I show it. And this air outlet, speaker, laser distance sensor, collision buffer, ultrasonic sensor, and clip sensor, lot sensor, the device. Okay, and this is installing, nothing special. Just now already mentioned the quick guide. So this was the instruction. It's a long instruction. Okay, this is indicate how it going to work. No memories, this type of guide night. And local cleaning instruction, resetting Wi-Fi. Okay, all this I will do another video for it. So today just simple unboxing and also review the user manual. For those already missed their user manual, you can come over to here, have a look. You can skip this user manual part. Okay, daily maintenance. This is a daily maintenance sensor, and this is the specification for this robot. Troubleshooting. What is the problem, what is the solution, Okay, just it's a thick user manual. If you feel boring, you can skip to the back to see the unboxing video. Okay. Okay, all this information. It's quite a boring part over here, but it's important for some user. Maybe you feel too fast, you can pause the video. Okay, now we continue to the product walk around. This was a product overview. Okay, so come with the power cord, come with the brush, come with the charging dock and the vacuum. Okay, so simple around video first. So this was the button. You can see all the sound. It's a very soft touch. And here was the open. You can open it. Okay. Before that, I walk around the robot first. So you can see the design. The design is very nice, very beautiful. Okay, but you can see. Okay, and at the back here is not have any touch. Here is back. This is a charging area. Okay, so this was the sensor. Front was the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so let's see at the bottom. You can see. Okay. Okay, now I try to flip over it, that you all have a look. So at the bottom here. Okay, so bottom here is come with the tool view, and this was the brush. This was the brush, and this was the information, the serial number, everything over here. And this was the rotating, and this is the broom, something act like a broom. Okay, and of course you can just take that out, but not now. Later I show another video for this. Okay, or I just take it out first. I think this was the okay. Something like inside here. So you can take the whole piece out. You can take the whole piece out. Still new. Okay. So, go back. So this was the rubberized rubber view. Okay, and you can see it can okay. I put it back first. Okay, this is and you can open it like this. Open. So this was a dust area. You can remove the dust over here. Okay, this is a they keep all the dust inside this box. Okay, this was the dust area, and inside here is nothing. So it's all is a rubber. Over here first, I can take out this as well, and also have indication over here. Please start the clean and off. Okay, now I not yet start using it. Okay, so that's for the vacuum, and this is a charging dock. Okay, so let's see, it's a steel. It's a connectivity place connect to the robot, and behind here they have they're very nice. They all have the guideline. Okay, you can put all the cable inside here. Okay, so slot in here. I add a demo for you. Have a look. This is a charging dock. So when you got this power cord, they light it nicely, and just put inside here. Okay, so after that you can just, sorry, the correct way is this. Yeah, you put inside it, see how much of length you need it, and just, I think we can just cover it using this. Just cover it. And nicely cover it. Yeah, you can nicely cover it. Okay, here is a charging dock. So the robot we attach to this. They're moving to attach to this. So before I start using, I try the demo, and this is a brush. I think it's brush inside here. Okay, so this is unboxing video. So later we do another video to first time start using it. Okay, if you like this video about unboxing the Mi robot, vacuum robot, please give us a like, and please subscribe to our amateur channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.